In this video, I'm going to show you how to download photos from Instagram to your gallery on an Android device. The first thing you want to do is you want to start off by going to the bottom menu and select on your profile picture. Then you want to go to the top right and select on these three bars just like so. Then you want to select on archive. And then from here, you will be able to find your story archives, or you guys could switch it to post archives right over here. And basically, you're able to go ahead and save the images and the stories and the posts that you did make previously. So this is definitely a good method because it is 100% built in, but the only limitation is that you're only able to install things that you posted before. But if you're trying to download like an image from another Instagram page, then that process is a little bit different. So let's say, for example, you wanted to save this Instagram image. What you guys could do is take a screenshot and then crop it out and crop out the surrounding area. So I'm going to take a screenshot right now, and then you guys want to go ahead and edit it just like this. Then you want to just go ahead and get rid of the parts that aren't the actual image, and then there you go. Then once you're done, you can go ahead and press on download, and that is another way that you could save a Instagram photo over to your gallery. So those are the two best ways to install images from Instagram over to on your gallery. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.